Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to import your toolset type repeatable field group values into your WordPress with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So previously I have created a repeatable field group in my toolset types with different set of values. Now let's start off with our CSV preparation. So in this example I am going to import 5 different posts specifying the different models of car. And initially I have added some of the post related information here, and now let's add our repeatable field group values. Starting off with the parent group. Parent group represent your toolset field group name, that is here it is RD model. Just copy the name and paste it in your CSV file. Parent group is mandatory to import your repeatable field group values, and the repeatable values are need to be separated using a pipeline separator. So the RD model name represents my repeatable group name. So for a single post Q file, I have 3 different values here, and I have separated each value using pipeline separator. So each model will have different set of values, and I mentioned all the values with the pipeline separator. So by this way you can easily add any number of repeatable field group values into your CSV and import it in your WordPress. Now let's proceed to our import section. First upload your CSV file, and now click on continue. If your CSV header is same as that of the WP fields, then importer will automatically map the fields. Else you can also map the fields from this drop down, and now click on continue. Now let's import the values. So my values are getting imported. Now let's see the values. So here you can see for a single model A6 I have imported 2 different repeatable field groups with different set of values. So by this way you can easily import any number of repeatable group values into your WordPress with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Happy importing!